wanted to update you guys and thank you for all your comments and advice. We have been weighing our options and trying to figure out what to do. And it looks like we got a second opinion today, and we found an engine at a salvage yard that we can replace and resurrect Buddy, and hopefully that'll be a good thing. It's gonna cost how much?
$2,500, which is about half as much as the Ford dealership was gonna make us pay. So, moral of the story: do not go to the dealership ever.
And another moral is, if you're planning a 2-month road trip, don't save for 1 year, save for
5 years, and buy a new van.
No. We'll be fine. This is $1,700 over budget for us, so we have thought about cutting the trip short or trying to skimp on some things like eating beans and rice and such. But
we're gonna make it work.
Yeah.
We'll go as long as we can, and definitely gonna keep on going. So 1 more week, Sundown Motel, and then this trip begins again.
So we're going to take some time today and explore the area and try to have some fun, since we are residents now for a little bit longer.
Yeah.
So here we go.
Mount Pleasant, Texas, adventure, here we come.
Yay.
Well, we skated around and found this cool little park with a lake and some baseball fields and a fountain, and we're going to try to set up a slack line.
Let's see if we can have some fun in Mount Pleasant, Texas.